EreTurbo ads are popping up everywhere right now, and honestly, it's hard not to wonder if this miracle male booster is the real deal or just another flashy supplement hoping you'll fall for big promises. In today's deep dive review, I'm breaking it all down clearly and honestly, no hype, no hate, just facts. EreTurbo claims it can restore rock-hard erections, melt fat overnight, and shoot testosterone levels through the roof. But when you look closely at those so-called clinically backed claims, there's a lot missing and very little real science you can actually verify. Even expert review sites flagged its online trust score at just 22.6 out of 100, which is, well, not exactly confidence boosting. The company pushes big discounts like $49 per bottle and a 60-day refund, but the fine print shows that the refund process isn't as smooth as the ads make it sound. On top of that, the site has classic red flags: a newly created domain, no transparent lab reports, vague ingredient sourcing, and the usual only 7 bottles left. Urgency marketing designed to pressure you into buying fast. Real user reviews are mixed. Some guys say they felt a mild boost in energy or confidence, while others report headaches, stomach discomfort, or absolutely no difference after finishing a full bottle. And that's the thing, EreTurbo might help you feel more proactive about your health, but there's zero indication it can deliver the extreme results shown in the ads. If you're expecting a complete transformation or some overnight testosterone explosion, this probably isn't going to match the hype. But if you're just curious and want to experiment with a supplement that claims to support male wellness, it's at least worth approaching with realistic expectations and a healthy amount of caution.